I'm doing pumpkin cooking right now. So, first thing you must do is you need to cut the wafer cones. You have the two icing bag, these two packets. The wafer cones. I already cut them. Into the pieces over here. I already cut them. This is my second time doing this because I did this before, and my father accidentally bought the same things for my birthday. I did a donut one already, and it tastes awesome. Okay, this. So I'm just gonna leave it over there, and the tray. I already cut them. The scoop water thing is so big, and from the donut one is so small. So now this is actually small, very small, like a bowl. Okay, so now we are gonna cut the icing. So we're gonna take the tray, and you put on any where you want, anywhere you want, here or here, it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the same thing as the instructions. The white one. Sorry. Will go here, and this one here. Okay. Then just turn it in. So let me just do the white one first. I will need maybe I'll get tissue paper here. Okay, I got my tissue paper already, and now I'm just going to do the thing. Sorry, scratch. Okay, now you open the bag thing. I'm just gonna open the bag. Just gonna open this. Open the packet. The blue packet, and it smells cool, like vanilla. Now I'm gonna put it in the packet. So it smells cool. And this is my 6th time doing the pumpkin cooking, but 3 of my pumpkin cookings I didn't show. The hamburger, the bento, and another one is the ice cream. But now I'm gonna do it again. So just take. You need to be full in the line, but it's kind of hard to do that. Full. Okay, so now I'm just going to put in there. Now take your spoon and just mix it. Let me show you. Okay. So I'm just gonna mix that up. Okay, now let's mix. So we need to take the pink packet. and you cut them, and you put them in the other place. Well, it smells very pinkish, and it's a bit like color pink. Yep, it's a bit color pink. Sorry. And now take the bag stuff again. I mean the packet. So I'm just level. I'm just gonna put that in there. It suddenly changed into pink. So I don't need that anymore. And you mix. Well, let me just mix that. Ta-da! Now I'll just put this spoon there. Now, take your bag and do that. Okay, now I'm gonna put the white one first. Sorry, it's too much. I'm trying to put it carefully. Carefully.
Shows that from the start and the
There we go. I already put the white one with no problems. This is hard to do. Let me just do the pink one right now. I'm done now. I'm going to this side. I'm just gonna put it there. And first, I'm gonna do this. Just put it on there. There, twist that. You see, mine's not perfect. Now, put the thing. So which one do you want to eat? The cone or this one? Or this one? Cool. Okay. Okay.
Without talking.
Okay, now I'm just gonna. Okay, now I'm just gonna. So it's not perfect, but it's okay. Okay, now you take the. Wait, first. Wait, I'm taking video. Wait. Then you put the thing here and this thing here. Now you put this thing. Put in some toppings. Okay, now I'm finished. I'm just gonna. Now I'm gonna do the cake. Wait, we have to. Now we'll take this one and just crack that. Now I'm gonna take this one and we'll put the.
Because you have to clear those that you don't need, okay? Because you see so many open. You have to, those are running, so if you want to fill up your...
I don't want.
No, this one you can, let's say like this.
Get this. Now I'm gonna put the thing.
Longer. Voices.
So let me just design this one. Now I'm gonna make the thing. Let me do it. So I let my brother eat one of the cone, and I did a tiny one, and I ate. Actually, there is it's 3 parts, but I turned it to 2 parts, and it becomes like this. And I ate some already. It's nice. Let me taste it. Okay. Nice. Now, this one. Okay. Nice. Bye-bye.